Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you this Microsoft PowerPoint tutorials, and this is the third video for Microsoft Learning series. Before we discuss some basic information and basic learning guide in first and second part of this series, this is the third part and third video tutorial. We will learn more. In first video we discuss interface and file, home, insert, design, and transitions, animations, slideshow. So first and second videos we discuss all of these feature, and we discuss as very basic and super easy learning practice. And also we discussed before and we told before, this series is a basic video series and basic learning PowerPoint series. And next we will start again very advanced learning series and course. So in the last we discussed about slideshow. Now here is another option, review. So in review, first option is spelling, typos. Not on our watch. Let us check your spelling. So friends, if you want to check spelling mistake and errors, so you should type firstly any sentence so we can figure out mistake, like welcome. So it's wrong, and you will see this red line which will show this has some error. It can be for grammar or it can be for spelling. So you want to check spelling, so click spelling. Here you will see some word which will be similar or proper to use, like welcome. And also you can use this one, welcome, welcome, or wilco. You want to listen, so click here. And similar you can use comfortable long for greeting as a different category. So if you want to use this your wrong word, so click on ignore once and ignore all, so it will continue. Now it will not show error because we ignore. So type any another word like hello, spelling check, spell check complete. Now you type hello, enter. Spelling check. So this is the method to check spelling, and if you want to use any particular word, so you can ignore it. At a loss for words, let us suggest another way to say what you mean. So select and type here. So because it's a wrong word, so we couldn't find any similar word. So firstly you need to make correct. Now again type here. So this is the wrong, so spelling check and make this one and click on change. Now it's correct word welcome. Now type here. So you will see some similar word which is the similar meaning: comfortable, wanted, comfy, relaxed, at home. A different category you can use this one. Adjective, greeting for noun, greet for verb, accept verb, approve. Similarly hello. So you will see this one: hi, greeting, morning, CIO, howdy. Check accessibility. So check accessibility. So you will see this no accessibility is found. People with disabilities should not have difficulty reading these presentations. It's easy to read, and you will see here accessibility good to go. You will see good to go means it's okay. It's has not any issue. Alt text. How do you describe this object and its context to someone who is blind? So type one or two sentence like hello. Alt text. Yeah. And another options ease of access. So click here and ease of access. Make your document accessible to others. The accessibility checker helps you find and fix content in your document that may make it harder for people with disabilities to consume your content. You can get a you can get to it from a review. Check accessibility. Office can remind you about accessibility issues while you work by showing a reminder in the status bar. We can see here this one. So it's annoying you, so uncheck it. So it will be hidden. And again, you need accessibility checking checker. So here and ease of access. Check this box. Then okay. And also, friends, you can provide feedback with sound scheme, modern, classic. Application display options. So screen tips style. Show feature description in screen tips. Show shortcut keys in screen tips. Show the start screen when this application starts. So as you will see when we hover cursor to any object, so we can see here shortcut Control plus V. So this is the tips. You can use this one. Control plus M, Control plus B, Control plus I, Control plus U, underline. So we will continue this discussion and blank presentation. So review, we can check accessibility and ease of access. Here are another option, smart lookup insights. Learn more about text you select by seeing definitions, images, and other results from various online sources. Like if you have any text like protect tutorial, and you need to know about these things, so select it and click on smart lookup. So if you have any text, so it will be highlight, and if you don't have any text, so it will be not highlight. So click here, design ideas, so remove it, and here you will find all information like protect tutorial, YouTube channel. There is another sites and web result. You want to open that, so click the new web page will open, and it will redirect to you on that particular what's definition or something you found, like this. So it's actually playlist URL. You will see the picture, see more picture, and here you will see you are responsible for respecting others' rights, including copyright. So web, picture, and help. No result found for protect tutorial. Check your spelling or try a different keyword or phrase. So we will try now another one like Windows 10. So you want smart lookup, so select that, click here. So you will see this web help and images result. This one you can copy and paste. You can go through the image, it will redirect you like this. So it's a good feature. You don't need to open any another browser. Just you need any help by Google or web, so you can insert your PowerPoint. You can get support and help and definition for any word which you select, and then click on this smart lookup. Translate. Translate content into a different language using the Microsoft Translate online service. So if you want to translate this one, so click here. Translate selected text. Translate the selected text into a different language. Many translator like one language here. You can choose translation another language also. To translate your content, text will be sent over the internet in a secured format to Microsoft or a third-party translation service provider. Do you want to proceed? And you don't need this message again, so check this don't show again and click on yes. You can increase this panel for translation. So you will see here translation approach tutorial, insert here, so it will insert. So this is the good way, like copy this one and paste here. Now translate this all things, close it and translate selected text. So you will see this result in Ukraine, and there is another option, and also you can type your words to translate here. From this language to select any another language like Urdu. Change another language, so click on this drop down, click on drop down and select any language like Hindi. Click on insert, so it will insert in now Hindi. Yeah, so we will delete this box, so we have the space. Another language like Gujarati and insert. So as we can know, we have only one sentence in English, and we can add as many translation as we like and need. Here are more options, translation options. So click here. So a new dialog box will open. You can use online bilingual directories and dictionaries and machine translation if you have enabled the setting. Let Office connect to online services from Microsoft to provide functionality that's relevant to your users and preferences. In the Trust Center privacy options menu, and they are allowed by your system administrator. So check this box, use online direct dictionary only when the installed dictionary is unavailable. Available language pairs like English US to French, English to German, English to Italian, French to English, and Spanish to English, Chinese to English. Machine translation. Available language pairs like Arabic, and there are more options. So these all options about translation. Get more languages. So click here. A new page will open, and this is the office page. Translator supports more than 36 languages, and the number is constantly growing. Due to the large number of possible language combinations, you may not have be able to translate between them all in Office using the default service. We provide two additional services you can add to ensure that you can translate between any two of supported language. As a new language become available, you can update your service to make them appear. European and Middle Eastern languages translate from two languages geographically centered in Europe or the Middle East, and all of the other supported language address here. So click this one. The following operation are supported for a formal definition. Please review the service description. So registration. The test form is only available for requests from the local machine. The following is a sample SOP 1.1 request and response. The placeholder shown need to be replaced with actual value. You will see this sample first one, and this is the 1.2. Try one of these alternatives or see help for the hints on refining your search. Other place to search. Search for try one of these alternatives or see in all reference books. So click here. Can't find it. Try one of these alternatives. So if you don't see any book, get updates to your service. Research options. So reference book like select any. You can update from here. So you will see more. Update. The service was updated successfully. Then close. You can add any service which you like. So these all options about translation. Language. Choose the language for proofing tools such as spelling check. You can also set other language preferences, including editing, display help, and screen tips languages. like we are looking tips for a screen. In English language displays English language. If you want to set another language, so click here, set, and set any language which you like in this list. Then okay. Proofing language and language preferences. Set the editing display help and screen tips languages. The editing language enables language specific features including dictionaries, grammar checking, and sorting, like Hindi. Then okay. Now when you select Hindi, so you need to move up and it will be preferred. Similarly, Hindi, click here, set as preferred, then yes and okay. It will ask restart office so that your language changes can take effect. So now you need to close and reopen your this PowerPoint program. You need to all PowerPoint program will be closed. Now open another one and reopen PowerPoint. So now we can see all display is a change language. And also you can get the help for proofing and everything in this your particular language. So uh, as we know, we some like we will try to translate some sentence like this one, copy and paste here. Yeah, firstly we will need to get the new slide and empty. Now paste here. So we have this sentence and we need to translate. So some and click on translation. Select your language like Hindi. Now click on translation. Yeah, press enter. Now one thing I want to show you, like if you want to short, so firstly select all Now find out option for short option is we need to find out that short option. So okay, because language is changed, so it's difficult to find out, but you can arrange these all options and you can short if your proofing and this display language is in Hindi. So Hindi will support for some features, and you can do easily that particular your requirement. So this is the good thing for us to make your preferred language. If you, especially if you have some difficulty to work on some different language or not easy for you, so it's a good feature you can make, and you can arrange your all slides using this Microsoft the language options. So good things to know. We can do this one all languages, and if you don't want to change your this display language, so again you need to click here and click on this option. And if you don't see option to change language, so click here and here select English and select this first option. If you don't know any language, so first option, similarly select here, and now this last option select, then click on yes and okay. Now you need to close and reopen your PowerPoint. So close all open program. You don't need to save or unsave, just you need to close and open. If you save, so there is the no worry, and if you don't save, so it's the okay. Now we have this new tab and display language as English. So in the review, translate and languages. New comment, add a note about this part of the document. Click here and type your comment. So you will see time for that comment, new comment, and click here. You can keep your comment icon anyway. This first one, second one, and third one. You can reply your comment by here. So this is the all comment, and here is the option for reply. It's not option for comment. If you need new comment, so click here. You can jump from here like this. Also, you can jump by clicking on this icon. Two icon together is means it has the comment and with reply. That's option for panel. You want to close that panel, so click there like this. You want to delete comment, delete delete all comments on slides, delete all comments in this presentations. So you can delete one by one, and you can delete it also in one like this. And also you can delete in this presentation, delete all comments in this presentations. Yes. So this is all options about comment. Here is the option comment pen, show markup. If you want to hide markup, so click here. So comment markup will be hide. And then compare, compare and combine another presentation with your current presentation. So click here. Open any presentation if you have. So firstly, new, this one. Save it like give the name A on desktop. Now open new one like this one and save it, or compare. So open that and click on merge. Accept if you like this change, accept it. Click the arrow for additional contents such as accepting all the changes at once like this. So it's a reviewing pan, this second one, and both are now merged. Next, previous, and review. So this is the option for compare. Compare and combine another presentation with your current presentation. ink. Here is the another option for ink in this presentation. We will discuss later on. View. So view as a normal, like this is the current one. Outline view. Edit your presentation slide by slide and navigate with thumbnails by using the normal view. Outline view. Edit and jump between your slides in the outline pane. You can easily create an entire presentation just by pasting your outline from Word into the outline pane like this. Slide sorter. See thumbnails of all the slides in your presentation to easily rearrange them. If you have more than, so it will look easily, so create more slides. Save it. Now close another one which are not used. Now firstly combine. So review, compare and select. Accept. Now view and see the slide sorter. So you will see thumbnail for all your presentation. Notes page view. See how your presentation will look when printed out with notes. Each page will contain one slide and its speaker notes, which you can edit in this view like this. So here is the thumbnail and here you will see the note. Reading view. Play your slide show in the PowerPoint windows to see animations and transitions without switching to a full screen slide show like this. Scroll your mouse middle button so you can change. We have three slides. Here you can previous. You can change from here also normal slide sorter slide show. Here are some more options. Next, previous, go to slide. Directly you jump from one to or any slide. Zoom in. Like this. It's a normal. Slide master. Master slides control the look of your entire presentation, including colors, fonts, backgrounds, effects, and just about everything else. You can insert a shape or a logo on a slide master, for example, and it will show up on all your slides automatically, like this one. You can change theme. So this is the master and select like this. Handout master. Customize how your presentation will look as a printed handout. You can choose the design and layout of the handout, such as background formatting and where headers, footers will appear. You can also select options for your page setup. Notes master. Customize how your presentation will look when print out with your notes. You can choose the design and layout of the notes page, such as background formatting and where headers, footers will appear. You can also select options for your page setup. So this is the handout. This will see header and here the date. It will footer area. Handout orientation. Choose the page orientation for the handout, portrait and landscape. Slide size, so standard and wide screen and custom slide size. You can select your own size. So you can set from here. You can set a slide per page like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. Slide outline. So you can set, and here is the placeholders. So header, footer, page number, and date. If you want to disable, so check all boxes. Theme you can change here. So firstly, we will select some site. There is the options, but you want to see this themes effect. So firstly, select slide and select normal, view and All these options about handout master, notes master, customize how your presentation will look when print out with your notes. You can choose the design and layout of the notes page such as background formatting and where headers footers will appear. You can also select options for your page setup. Show ruler, we can see here guidelines, guides, show adjustable drawing guides to which you can align objects on the slide like this one. So you can make your object properly where you want to set. And notes, add speaker notes to your slides for quickly reference during a presentation. The pen will appear below the current slide in normal and outline presentation views and next to the current slide in presenter view. Like zoom option, zoom to the level that's right for you. For zoomer zooming, use the controls in the status bar like it's a fit. So firstly we hide this grid. Now zoom. So fit 200%, 66, 50 and 33%. This is 33%, 100%, and you can move slide by this status bar. For 400%, so it will look bigger. Also, you can move like this using your mouse. Here you can see where in your this thumbnail like this. Fit to window. Zoom your presentation so that the slide fills the window like this. So these all options about zoom, color, grayscale. View this presentation in grayscale and customize how the colors are translated into grayscale. In grayscale, you will see some more option automatic grayscale. Use automatic rendering of the selected object when printing in black and white. Use grayscale rendering of the selected object when printing in black and white. Light grayscale. Use light grayscale rendering the selected object when printing in black and white. Inverse grayscale. Use inverse grayscale rendering. Gray with white fill. You see all effect. Black with grayscale fill. Black. Back to color view like this. Here is the sum window option, new window. First one and this one new. Open a second window for your document so you can work in different places at the same time. Arrange all, stack your open windows so you can see all of them at once, like this. See all your open windows overlapped on the screen, like this. This one, move the splatters which separate the different fans of the window. Click Move Split and use the arrow keys to move the splitters. Press Enter to go back to your document, like this. Switch window like presentation 1, 2. So these all options about view. You can see all changes here, and you can customize and modify it as your need. Macros. See a list of macros you can work with. Tell me more, and we will discuss about macros in advanced tutorial. And this is the first and basics. So we will carry on after finishing this basic series. We will start a fresh new series. Here is the option add-ins. So click here. Add-ins, you can record, launch presentation and start recording. This is the first option, like this. Click to begin recording. If you have any extra software, so it will work with here, like Camtasia recording. Customize record audio and record camera. Show camera preview. Camtasia recording options. If you install and you have the software program Camtasia, so you can work with PowerPoint. Here is the help. This tab you will get the help. Microsoft PowerPoint help, and you can access this one by pressing F1. Get help using Microsoft Office. You will see a panel here, and you will see as category, and you will find some useful tips and tricks and how to some videos and some article. Get started. So what is PowerPoint? You will see a video with PowerPoint on your PC, Mac or mobile device. Create presentation from scratch or a template. Add text, images, art and videos. Click here. You can move like this and you can make the size. So it's easy help to how to use PowerPoint, and it's helped by official. And also you can learn by here. Create presentation, open PowerPoint, select an option, select blank presentation to create a presentation from scratch. Select one of the templates, select take a tool and then select create to see tips for using PowerPoint. Add a slide, select a slide you want to your new slide to follow. Add a format text, add a picture, shape or chart, collaborate, save and share. Save PowerPoint presentation as a PDF file. Share your PowerPoint presentation with other. Remove hidden data and personal information by inspecting presentations. YouTube, learn how to share and co-author with Microsoft creators, English only. Click here. So a new tab open in any browser which is default in your PC, and you will see all these options for PowerPoint. There are about 8 videos. You can play here. If you see the ad, so skip it. You can jump by time stamps like here. Like this. So you will see all helps in PowerPoint. We'll close now. animations, animate text or objects, apply multiple animations effects to one object, change, remove, or turn off animation effects, make words appear one line at a time. So you will see all options to do this. Add a motion path animation effect. Click on play and watch it. You will see all effect how it's working. Here are more options like quality, captions, and share. So in a help tab, you will get a useful help on your PowerPoint feedback. Doing right, and if you don't think some feature is good for you, so select this one. I don't like something. If something is not right, we want to know about it. And if you have any suggestions, so select here and share an idea or improvement. Here is the option show training, show online training and learning content. Click here. Make your presentation shine. Connect with a PowerPoint expert who can custom design your presentation like quick start, slides and layouts, text and tables, picture and graphics, present slideshows, animation, video, and audio. Share and co-author tracker tool. So you can download this template. Use 3D models. Download template. Import 3D models. Click on yes. So click on OK. Download is running, and you will see this is the about 3.7 MB. Now you will see a new. Click on enable editing. Bring your presentations to life with 3D. How to get started with 3D in PowerPoint. You will see some objects with a guide like 2D slides, 3D models, Slides are a static portrait. Audience is passive and can't interact. 3D helps foster conceptual understanding and visual and spatial thinking. Animated 3D models display objects within space in ways text and images can't. No 3D model, no problem. Microsoft make it easy to insert a 3D model. Simply go to the insert ribbon and click on the 3D model option. Choose the option for online sources gallery shown at the right. Select the model you wish to insert. 3D model is a subscription only feature. If you have a subscription, the next slide shows you how it works in a new presentation. Have your own 3D model, you can import it, time them yourself with the parrot on the right. So you will see all these options. So in a short training, we discuss this option for using 3D models, animation, video, and audio. You can see more ways to learn by YouTube. This was official. So these all options about this help tab. So you can get help by Microsoft PowerPoint help and feedback, and you can get the free training online. Now, in the last, we will discuss more and options. So, in options, first one is the general. In general, you will customize and you can customize this interface for PowerPoint, like some options when using multiple displays. So, optimize for best appearance. Automatically adjust to screen changes so text and images look sharp on screen. Disabling this setting can fix issues like buttons and text being too be too big or too small to read. If you set this one, so application require restart. Optimize for compatibility, application restart required. As we can see, it's written clear. Show mini toolbar on selection. Enable live preview. Collapse the ribbon automatically. Only tab names will be shown when you make the window small. So open it, check it, and try it. So now make small. So we can see here only if you click in this anyway. So only name will written here. File and options. Show menu toolbar on selection and enable live preview. Show a preview of how a feature affects the document as you hover over different choices. So this is the useful when you want to use it, so it will find and it will work for you. Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. So username, initials, always use these values regardless of signing to Office. Office background, you can select any design like three rings, stars, clouds, and doodle circle, circuit. So you will see effect here. Like now is the start. You want to circuit, so select, then OK. So this is the simple background. You want to background is dark mode. So options and select dark gray, and then OK, like this. So these are all options in PowerPoint options like circuit and dark gray. Privacy settings. So this is the advanced privacy settings. So you can read and you can learn more about reading all features and options like require diagnostic data, optional, and connected experiences. These all options about advanced. So we will later on discuss in advanced. Startup options. Choose the extensions you want to PowerPoint to open by default. Click on default programs. So your Windows settings will appear. To change your default apps, go to settings, apps, and default apps. So you can select it. Tell me if Microsoft PowerPoint isn't the default program for viewing and editing presentations. Show me the start screen where this application starts. Second option is proofing. Change how PowerPoint corrects and formats your text. Change how PowerPoint connects and formats text as you type. So autocorrect options. So you will see auto format as you type. Show autocorrect options button. Correct to initial captions. Capitalize first letter of sentences. Capitalize first letter of table cells. Capitalize names of days. Correct accidental use of caps lock key. Replace text as you type. So you will see this all words will be replaced with auto correct. Actions. PowerPoint can provide additional actions for certain words or phrases in your document through the right click menu. So check this box, enable additional actions in the right click menu. So measurement converter and dat XML. If you want to use, so check this box and then click on OK. Math autocorrect, you can replace with anyone. Like you want to type this symbol, so you need to type this letter LEPH, LF. For example, firstly insert blank slide. I mean this one. Now type. So text box, LF. Make more size so we can see properly. Now press enter. Okay, so we need to check what's the proper word. So it will take effect, proofing and auto, like LPHA, LPHA, ALPHA, ALPHA. So we have the some wrong. So double click this one to edit. ALPHA. Now press enter. PHE. Let me see. ALPHA. So okay. So why not effect? Uh, okay, we'll try again. Like word art. Now we will try here. Like this. So it's easy method to do this one. Options and ease of access, advanced, proofing. Yeah, what's going on? What's going on? Yeah, it's a very wrong thing. If you want to be succeed and you want to learn something, so and so you need to try. You need to try. You need to be eager to learn something, and you need to make hungry for learning. So hungerness is good for learning. You make practice more and more, try more and more, read more and more, and follow. And if you are facing any error, if you're facing any mistake, so ask your follow. So it's a way to learning something. So all guys, all guys, yeah. If you need, so you can share screen. You can use your device. You can use. Yeah, yes, yes, yeah. If you have any queries, so ask me. Yeah, I mean, and everyone's please look all instruction and see how are you learning. And you can use any language to learn and to read and to understood the proper way. There is the no matter for device, no matter for language, no matter for time. You can learn, you can follow every time when you have the time. So try more and more, repeat more and more, and revise how many things did you learn. Like like if you are practice 2 or 3 months, so see, make a note, make a note and make your own query. Ask question to yourself what you want to know, and every time use when, why. So it's the best way. Ask yourself some question, made some question. Best. So this is the accents and math autocorrect. You can use this one. You can add your own like type, replace, and with like replace. When correcting spelling in Microsoft Office program, you will see these all options. Ignore words in uppercase, ignore words that contain numbers, ignore internet and file addresses, flag repeated words, enforce accented uppercase in French. Suggest from main dictionary only. You can use your own custom dictionaries like here you will see a list. If you don't want to use, so remove that and click on yes. But it's not a good idea to remove any dictionary from this list. You can add and new. If you have already, so select and click on save. If you have already, so it will replace it. Edit word list, like we have some words. You can more like click on add. You can delete if you not want to use that particular words in your dictionary. French mods, traditional and new spellings, traditional spelling and new spelling. Spanish mods, so select tutor verb forms only. Tutor and video verb forms. Verb forms only. Select if you are using French or Spanish, so you can select mods for here from here. When correcting spelling and grammar in PowerPoint, check spelling as you type, hide spelling and grammar errors. So you will not see a red line if you type any wrong spelling. Frequently confused word, check this box and click on OK. So these all options about proofing. Now here is the save. So customers how document are saved like save presentations, save files in this format, PowerPoint presentations, and you can also select PowerPoint macro enable presentation, PowerPoint presentation 97 to 2003, script open XML presentation, and open document presentation. Say auto recover information every 10 5 you can increase and you can decrease the time minutes and limit. Keep the last auto record version if I close without saving. So both check this box. Auto recover file location. You will see this location. Copy and open File Explorer to access this location. So just you need to type here and paste that location. Press enter. So these all options and files you can recover. Don't show backspace when opening or saving files with keyboard shortcuts. Show additional places for saving even a sign may be required. Save to computer by default. So select if you want to hide the backspace when opening or saving file and you are using your keyboard shortcut like Control O or Control S. Show additional places for saving. It will show like some drive and another platform where you can save. And if you don't like, so uncheck this one. So it will not show and it will be hidden to another places to save. Default local file location, this one. Default personal templates location will be here. You can set your own. Offline editing option for document management server file. Saving checked out files to server drafts is no longer supported. Checkout files are now saved to the Office document cache. Server drafts location, you will see this location. Preserve fidelity when sharing this presentation. So select any presentation which is you like. You can select any particular and specific presentation. Check this box if you want to embed fonts in the file. Save fonts that are used in the presentation in the file. Other people who open the document can view and use the fonts even if the fonts are not installed on their computers. Only TrueType and OpenType fonts can be embedded. So make sure TrueType or OpenType only eligible to embed. Embed all characters best for editing by other people. So if you want to give your this presentation sometimes to any client, so check this box and it will be easy for you, so they can embed all characters for best editing by other people. Cache setting. There's to keep files in the Office document cache. So default is 14. You can increase or decrease till the 30 days. Delete files from the Office document cache when they are closed. So check this box and it will delete all cached file. And it's useful if you need and work fastly. So check this and delete regularly all cached file. Delete files in the cache that have been saved for faster viewing. This will not delete items pending uploads to the server, not items which upload errors. So click on delete and delete cached files. So you will see this now red color. Then okay. So these all options in a save language. You can set any language like Office display language, buttons menu and other controls will show in the first available language on this list, like English preferred. If you want to use another one, so select that and click on set as preferred, like this one, set as preferred. And also you can move up and move down. Install additional display language from office.com. So click here, select any language which you want to use and then click on install. A web browser will open. Here you can set any language. Download and it will take time some and installed in your PC. So it will work in these options and presentation. Office authoring language and proofing. Manage languages used for creating and editing documents, including proofing tools such as spelling and grammar check, like proofing in another language. So select that and click on add a language. Select set as preferred. The authoring language you just choose will take effect the next time you start Office. Some of your custom settings might change, such as your preferred fonts in the blank document template. Do you want to continue? So click on yes. Select Hindi and set as preferred. Then okay. Now you need to close all open Microsoft PowerPoint program, so it will take the effect. And best way, you right click on taskbar, click on task manager, If you see PowerPoint, so select that and delete it. Just you need to like Firefox, click on End Task. Open now PowerPoint. So as we can see now, language is changed. Display and whole thing is changed now. You can see here. So this is the option to change language in here. Again, you want to set English as your default and display language, so file and the second option. In here, this fourth option and select English, and in the down this third option, English, and this third option. Click on yes. Now close it. Again open. We have some mistakes, so let me try again. So okay, so we will select English and we will set here. Now both is English. Now okay. Click on OK. Close it. Reopen. Like this. So to change this theme, so file more options and theme colorful. Okay. New. So ease of access we discussed before. Now advanced. So in advanced editing options, when selecting, automatically select entire word, and if you uncheck this one, so it will select letter by letter. Allow text to be dragged and dropped. You can drag and drop. Don't automatically hyperlink screenshot. Maximum number of undos you can do this one. Increase or decrease undos. Cut, copy and paste. Use Smart Cut and Paste. Show paste option button when content is pasted. And if you are working on any office and you are used to use a keyboard, so you don't need to use this Smart Cut and Paste. You can use your keyboard very fastly. Image size and quality. So select your presentation and discard editing data. Delete data which is used to restore edited pictures to their original state. And another option, don't compress images in file. Checking this option provides maximum picture quality but may result in a very large file sizes. If this option is unchecked, picture will be down sampled to the number of pixels per inch specified below when they are saved. And default resolution, so you can select here high 330 and 220, 150 and 96. Advanced options for chart properties. Follow chart data point for all new presentation. Custom formatting and data levels. Follow data points as they move or change in the chart. Properties. Follow chart data point for current presentation. So chart and these all options about display show this number of recent presentations like 50. You can increase and decrease. 50 is maximum. You can decrease. Quickly access this number of recent presentation like there are 4. You can increase, but it's depending your all recent presentations. So in quickly access you will see this some of them. Show this number of unpinned recent folders. 50 maximum, and you can decrease, increase the show shortcut keys in screen tips. Show vertical ruler. Display hardware graphic acceleration. If you want to enable or disable, so you can use this box. Disable slide. Show hardware graphic acceleration. Automatically extend in display when presenting on a laptop or tablet. So these all options related display, you can enable and disable some options as your need and as your wish. Slide show menu and right mouse click. Show pop-up toolbar. Prompt to keep in notions when exciting and with blank. So these all options about advanced, and in the last you will see when printing this document, so some options for printing journal. Show add-ins user interface error. Customize ribbon, so you can add some ribbon. Like we can see these all ribbons in the main tabs. You can see all tabs and tool tabs. When you click on this plus icon, so you will see all features within design tab like create graphic layouts, smart art, styles and reset. Similarly, when you click on format, so you will see shapes, shape styles, word art styles. And here you will see choose command from like popular commands. This you can add any command in this tool tabs. So select anyway and like select this tab like spelling, then click on add. But you need commands need to be added to custom groups. To create a group, pick a tab in the list, then click new group. So firstly you need to click on new tab and you will see a new tab and click on new group. New tab here you can rename like my tab. Click on OK. Similarly, we have two group in my tab. So select and select any icon like this one and give the name like my group 1. Now OK. Select second one and rename. Select any icon, give the name my group 2, then OK. Now select any command which you want to add in your group like this one. So click on add. So you will see my group 2 has this your particular selected command. So this is the popular, and also you can see the all commands, macros, file tab, all tabs, main tabs, tool tabs, custom tabs, and groups. So all command. So as we can see a list of commands. You want to use any particular command. So select group like first one, my group 1, and you want to set background styles. So select and click on add. So add as you think which is more important for you. Second group. So in second group we will add I'm selecting the randomly. You can select as your own choice and requirement. Then after that you click on OK. So now we can see my tab which we add just now. Click on it, my group 1 and my group 2. Now they are not active. You to make activate, firstly select any slide like file and open any document, new or your old one. Now click on my tab and you will see all options. Now some features are now activate. So the difference like this, you can add your own ribbon. So this is the customize ribbon. You can remove and you can delete any item from your selected ribbon. So select it and right click on it. You will see option remove. Also you can remove your created tab. Select right click and remove. Quick access toolbar. Now in quick access toolbar we can see these four options. You can add anyone. You already have this on the quick access toolbar. So like quick print, click on add, send backward, touch mouse mode. So select and click on OK. So we can see now these all toolbars which we added just now. And there is the more options in this options panel, add-ins. So you will see some add-ins like active application add-ins, inactive application add-ins like OneNote, and document related add-ins, disable application add-ins. So if you want to give any effect like this is the activate Camtasia add-in. So select it and click on disable items. Then click on go. The items listed below are disabled because they prevented PowerPoint from functioning correctly, or your system administrator has disabled them through group policy. Please note that you may have to restart PowerPoint for these changes to take place. And another way, you need to find out this address and delete that file, like program file, and you will see all options in C drive. So just you need to delete that file from there. So it will be deleted these add-ins permanently. And last one is the Trust Center. We will discuss about Trust Center in advanced series learning course. In basic, we can say this is the PowerPoint Trust Center. The Trust Center contains security and privacy settings. These settings help keep your computer secure. We recommended that you don't change these settings in Trust Center. There are so much settings: trusted publishers, trusted locations, trusted documents, trusted add-ins and catalogs. So we will discuss more information we will provide in advanced video tutorial series. So this is friends by this third video of this basic PowerPoint learning series. We discuss today some more options like review and view and add-ins, help and format, and also in the last we discuss more and options. So hopefully friends you like this video, and if you have any questions so please comment and we will try to answer your comment. And if you have any specific query, so also you can email and we try to answer each email and query and comment. Please subscribe this channel and stay tuned. We will learn Microsoft Word, Excel, and about Chrome and Windows PC. So in this channel you will find more useful videos completely free. So please comment and like this video and this channel so we can create more useful videos for you. Thanks again for watching this video.